Yes, ready. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, the question involved in this notification is of propriety in the procedure to be followed in the matter of public finances in 1976. They revised and previously also they revised stop. The first thing that I would like to know from the Minister is whether this method has been adopted for the first time for revising rates and fees by notification at a time when the budget is on the anvil. Stop. Secondly, how have they distributed some items for notification and some items for the budget itself? Sign of interrogation. In the budget yesterday, parcel rates have been increased. Stop. That is also possible under section 7 of the act. This nice distribution of powers under notification under section 7 of the act, where something can be done by budget and something can be done by notification, is really dubious, and I am certain the Honorable Minister, who is an eminent parliamentarian, will accept that this method of division is not desirable in strengthening our democracy. Stop. Para. Secondly, we would have got an opportunity to examine each item whether it is legally possible to have such a notification to be issued or not. Stop. I know there are decisions of the courts and of the Supreme Court about the distinction between rates and fees. Stop. Rates are where the government have got unlimited powers to tax, where they have no relevance to the expenditure made. Stop. But fees have been defined and clarified. Stop. Fees must be because of excess of expenditure made and cost incurred. Stop. Now you will find from this statement of the minister where they are charging fees. Stop. Take cancellation fee. Stop. I will only read one or two items to clarify my point. Stop. Now 2 rupees will be charged as cancellation fee, but only 50 paise used to be charged earlier. Stop. What is the extra expenditure involved for increasing the fees for cancellation? Now sign of interrogation. Now we have got a telegram where they have only to give a certified copy. Stop. Previously it used to cost only rupees 1.50, but now for the first 100 words they have made it 3 rupees, and for additional words 2 rupees. Stop. This is really charging the common man without any examination of the legal provisions under section 7 of the Indian Telegraphs Act, where the fees can only be charged for the services rendered. Stop. I would like to know from the minister what is the extra expenditure required for giving certified copies of telegrams or for cancellation. Stop. Similarly, you will find in the case of searching fees also. Stop. Searching is the minister must apply this mind to the provisions of the section where the word fees has been separately and more specifically stated other than rates. Stop. Therefore, now some of the items which have been included in the notification are illegal and beyond the power of Section 7. Stop. Take for example telephone installation fees. Stop. They have been increased from rupees 150 to rupees 300 and a table also is given there. Stop. Sir, do you know about the services rendered? Sign of interrogation. At least the Honorable Minister should have mercy on the people. Stop. The services rendered. Sign of interrogation. At least the services rendered by the telephone department are so well known. Stop. Dead telephones are there, inflated bills are given, and there is no efficient service at all. Stop. At such a time, instead of reducing the fees, you are increasing the fees for telephone installation. Stop. Para. I think the whole notification, the major portion of it at least, is obnoxious and is against the interests of the people and the society. Stop. The last question which I would like to know from the minister is, where was the necessity of issuing a notification on 21st February, sign of interrogation, when it could have been a part of the budget when Parliament was in session? What was the emergency which required that notification issued under Section 7? Sign of interrogation. When was the Planning Commission's recommendation received and it was found out that interest resources have to be improved? Sign of interrogation. The Planning Commission's report had come long back, about 3 years back. Stop.